How to add CName record in GoDaddy. I've just logged into my GoDaddy account here. We want to click on our name in the top right, then go to My Products. From this page, we will find the domain for which we want to add a CName record, and then select the option for DNS. Now here, it will automatically show us all of our DNS settings, and if we want to add a CName record, we will click on Add New Record. Choose an option for the type. Here we will select CName. It's going to show us some sample names for the CName record that we want to add, blog or shop. And the value, here's where we put the value. I've already connected my Shopify, that's why it appears. But basically we'll type out the value here as well. And the TTL will remain default, and we'll just click on save, and that's how you add a CName record. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.